The airbag light in your Toyota, officially called the SRS or Supplemental Restraint System Light, is a critical safety warning that should never be ignored. The SRS system consists of multiple interconnected safety components working together to protect you in a crash. These include airbag sensors for crash detection, wiring harnesses, airbag modules, seatbelt pretensioners, and a central control module. When the airbag light is on, your crash protection is significantly compromised. Studies show a 15 to 40% reduction in crash protection effectiveness and a 25% higher injury rate in accidents when the airbag system is not functioning properly. Several issues can trigger the airbag light. The most common include faulty airbag sensors, damaged wiring harnesses, deployed airbags that need replacement, low battery voltage affecting system calibration, seatbelt pretensioner problems, and loose electrical connectors. Modern Toyota vehicles from 2022 to 2025 feature sophisticated airbag systems with advanced OBD2 diagnostics. These newer models often require professional-grade diagnostic tools and may have encrypted systems that need dealer-level intervention for proper diagnosis and reset. Toyota has issued several airbag-related recalls through 2024, particularly affecting 2019 to 2023 model years. These recall-related repairs often require specific reset procedures and post-repair calibration that differ from standard diagnostic methods. Remember, the most important step is to always diagnose and fix the underlying issue before attempting any reset procedure. Simply clearing the light without addressing the root cause will result in the warning returning and leave your safety system compromised. There are two primary methods to reset your Toyota airbag light. The OBD2 scanner method is recommended for its reliability, while the manual reset method works for older models but has limitations. The OBD2 scanner method is the most reliable approach. First, you need to locate the diagnostic port under your dashboard on the driver's side. You will need a compatible OBD2 scanner with Toyota-specific capabilities. Professional diagnostic tools provide the highest success rates. Here are the 6 essential steps for the OBD2 scanner reset method. Follow these steps carefully for the best results. For older Toyota models, you can try the manual reset method. This involves working with the airbag fuse in your vehicle's fuse box. It's important to understand the success rates and limitations of each method. Professional tools are significantly more reliable than manual resets. Remember these critical warnings. DIY resets without fixing the underlying problem have an 85% recurrence rate within 30 days. Newer Toyota models from 2023 and later may require dealership intervention due to encrypted diagnostic systems.